Hi everyone. So now we have original Peugeot radio. It's Peugeot 106 to 306. This trim is from Peugeot 306. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you can remove it and fit to any Peugeot you have. It's from 90s, maybe early 2000. We did full service for it, but we was unable to install the Bluetooth. So we kept all original, and let's test it out. Also, I want to mention that one pixel is missing. It's barely visible, but when you know, you know. Here it is. It's few missing there, if you can see. Here it also, you see, it's not complete O. So just so you know. Okay, let's test the cassette. Let's go forward. Okay, now backwards. Okay, now reverse mode. Looks good. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are perfect. That's it. There is not much to show. Thumbs up.